Charleston, South Carolina is expanding its port infrastructure like never before. Today, we're taking you inside the major upgrades that are shaping the future of trade in the Southeast. Construction is moving quickly at the Leatherman Rail Facility, where all 6 electric rail-mounted gantry cranes have been installed and commissioning is underway. When completed in early 2026, this facility will handle 1 million rail lifts per year. A 1-mile dedicated drayage road will keep intermodal traffic separate from Interstate 26, boosting efficiency. Phase 2 of the Leatherman Terminal expansion is already underway. A 1,600-foot wharf extension will accommodate 5 additional ship-to-shore cranes, dramatically increasing the terminal's handling capacity. SC Ports President and CEO Barbara Melvin emphasizes, investments like these ensure our port system meets projected demand and keeps SC Ports competitive for decades. Exciting new services are coming. MSC will launch 2 weekly transatlantic routes, Albatros and Dragon, starting this month, September. Both will handle 15,000 TEU vessels. The Albatros service will be exclusive to Charleston in the Southeast, solidifying the port's strategic importance in global trade. The port's performance continues to rise. In July, SC Ports handled 213,177 TEUs, while vehicle imports and exports jumped to 16,628 TEUs, a 53% increase from last July. These upgrades reinforce Charleston as a major logistics hub in the U.S. Call on-site storage solutions in Charleston today at 888-666-0520 for fast delivery, durable shipping containers, and expert guidance for your storage or logistics needs. Take advantage of our custom modifications, reliable service, and nationwide support to keep your operations moving efficiently.